Do's and don'ts. Do's. Always keep the Wokie station in 2.5 mode where the cooking will be even. Always keep the drum clean and neat for better cooking. Always plug the machine where grounding is proper. Always clean the drum after each recipe so that the fragrance won't mix with the next recipe which has to be cooked. Don'ts. Don't use water to clean the machine body. Don't use metal spatula inside the drum. Don't use water surrounding the tab. While using the faucet, avoid the water on the tab or any part of the machine. Don't handle the Wokie station roughly. Don't pull the food collecting tray in a rough manner. Don't remove the sink stainer pipe. Don't use the tab roughly. Troubleshooting. If you're experiencing problems with your Wokie, here are some steps you can try to troubleshoot the issue. If the machine shuts off in between the process, plug the machine into another socket and try to run the machine. If the recipe isn't appearing in login as a user mode, then please check your Wi-Fi. If the recipe isn't appearing in login as a user mode, press update button given on the tab. Cleaning of Wokie machine. Here are some tips on how to clean your Wokie. For cleaning, use the cleaning solution provided and clean the drum as per the given SOP. Machine body should be cleaned with a damp cotton cloth along with a bit of soap liquid and clean water.